Hey class, welcome to Module 3. In this module, we'll talk about uh, different type of structure in programming language. So there are three types of programming language structures in general. One is a sequence structure. Now let's say how sequence structure works. So as per its name suggests, sequence structures execute its a task one by one. So it will execute the first task, then next task, then next task, and so on. For example, suppose we want to find sum of two numbers. Then our first task will be input number 1 and number 2. The next task will be find sum through adding number 1 and number 2. And our next task will be print sum. So, such task where a step-by-step process is included, that is called sequence structure. The next structure type is selection structure. Now, in selection structure, there will be condition. And on the base of that condition, if the condition is true, what you want to do, what steps you want to perform. If the condition is false, what steps you want to perform. On that basis, the selection will be done, and that is why it is called selection structure. For example, suppose you decide that if you have like $100, then you will have party with your friends. But if you don't have $100, you will not prefer to enjoy the party. So that is on the base of condition, like whether you have $100 or not. And that is like called condition. And on the base of that condition, you have to select the option. And that is called selection structure. We'll learn how it can be implemented in programs. The next type of structure is called a loop structure. In loop structure, again there will be condition, but the difference between selection and loop is the statements or steps will continue till your condition is true. For example, you are practicing for an exam where in the exam it is allowed to take that exam multiple times. Now, you have decided that till you are not getting A grade, you will reappear for the exam. So, in that case, your condition is to what is the grade, okay? Or your condition is get grade higher than A, right? And in that case, you are going to appear for exam multiple times. So you have appeared for the first time and will verify that, okay, my grade is A. No? Okay, then appear for the exam second time and then verify if my grade is A. No? Then again appear and you will perform the task repeatedly till you are not getting grade A. And that is called loop structure. Means you perform same task multiple times. Thank you.